bumps, big bumps, and very high speed. Not a good combination, guys. Oh, nasty, nasty, nasty. Oh. Wow. Very nasty. Okay guys, getting into this town is not very pretty. Let's see. Oh. This road has like a 2-inch crack separation there. Maybe the trail will be better. If all the roads are like this. No. Finally some regular asphalt there. BK, have it your way, but I'm gonna have a Wendy's, have it a different way. Okay, should we look to the left? And there should be a Wendy's. Great success. But I hope we'll be going down that way afterwards. Downhill over the river. In a van down by the river. Yeah. See, they got a breakfast sandwich, so maybe we'll do that. Let's just find suitable parking. Which I think will be this. Yeah, we'll park right here. I think this should be good. Guys, I don't think there was some activity there, but I don't think this is a bad area. Well, you never know. So let's just let us just lock off the wheel. And I'll be so at least no more No one can write off. Yeah, no one's gonna carry that much weight on them. In any case, guys, let's order. It says please use the other door. I haven't seen the other door. You alright, darling? Sure. You alright, guys? Are you still serving the breakfast sandwiches?
It's only lunch right now.
Huh?
Lunch.
Oh, it's only lunch. That's all. Let's see what we got. Have any fish? No. No. Then we go big bacon, gyro cheese, chicken club, ghost pepper. Okay, the ghost pepper ranch chicken, please.
Spicy or classic chicken?
Spicy.
Spicy, medium or large?
Large. And do you have iced tea there?
Iced tea?
Iced tea or something similar?
Yeah, iced tea, yes.
Yeah.
Sweet or unsweet?
Sweet.
Sweet? A large, right? For
Uh-huh.
here to go?
The drink?
No, for here to go.
Oh, for here, please.
Okay. 272?
Alright guys, let's find us somewhere where we can plug in a phone. I already see it, but it's over there by the employees only area. So let's have a seat. Grab our phone, we forgot our phone. And then we'll be right back.